Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Rinse 1/2 cup rice to remove surface debris, then choose soaking or boiling depending on strength. For a gentle extract, soak rice in 2 cups water for 15 to 30 minutes. For concentrated nutrients, simmer 10 minutes and cool. Once done, strain the liquid into a clean jar and discard solids. Make sure it's room temperature before applying. You're extracting starches and amino acids that smooth cuticles, so act promptly. You'll now apply the rice water to damp hair, starting at the scalp and moving to ends. Pour or spray evenly so every strand gets coated. Once applied, massage the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This increases blood flow and helps nutrients absorb. Make sure to cover your hair with a shower cap and let the rice water sit for 20 to 30 minutes for deeper penetration. This timing balances conditioning benefits without over-hardening the hair shaft. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear, then follow with a lightweight conditioner if your hair feels stiff. This restores softness. Make sure to start with once-weekly treatments. Increase to twice weekly only if your hair tolerates it without dryness. If you notice itch, buildup, or irritation, stop immediately. Once healed, patch test a diluted mix of 1 part rice water to 3 parts water. This troubleshooting tip prevents repeat reactions and keeps your routine safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.